हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज डॉक्टर मनीष राउत और आज का हमारा क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज द करेक्ट बेसिसिटी ऑर्डर ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नाइट्रोजन. नाइट्रोजन्स गिवन आर p, q and r. This is a p nitrogen, this is a r nitrogen and this is a q nitrogen. For predicting the basicity of any nitrogen, first we need to check what is the availability of the lone pair of nitrogen. If this nitrogen is available for protonation, then it will be highly basic. If it is engaged in the resonance or anything else, or it is attached to electron withdrawing group, then it will be less available for protonation. Therefore, its basicity will be lower. Now, first of all, we'll check the basicity of the p nitrogen. P nitrogen is engaged in the resonance with the another r nitrogen. So that's why its basicity is going to be a less basic or lesser. Now, if you are checking for the q nitrogen, in the q nitrogen also this lone pair is engaged in the resonance with the electron withdrawing oxygen atom from both the sides. From two sides it is engaged in the resonance. Now if we are checking for the basicity of the remaining last nitrogen, now this r nitrogen, this lone pair or nitrogen is in sp2 hybridization state. sp2 nitrogens are lesser basic than the sp3 nitrogen, but in this case if you are checking for the what will happen once this nitrogen will accept the proton. As this nitrogen will accept the proton, means it is behaving as a base, then you will get one structure where this nitrogen is having two hydrogen, resultant nitrogen, and this nitrogen will have a positive charge in the resulting structure after protonation. This is happening. Whether this structure is stable or not, yes, this structure is in resonance or this lone pair is in resonance with the another nitrogen. So we are getting the another structure where this nitrogen formed a double bond. Rest of the molecule is as it is, same molecule hai. Okay. Now here H, and since it is getting the positive charge, it will be a positive charge, and then it will be NH2. Again this lone pair will come back and form another resonating structure. So this lone pair after protonation, this is a stable resonating structure we are getting, and since it is getting, so this one is going to be going towards the stability after getting the proton. That's why this r nitrogen is highly basic nitrogen. So highly basic nitrogen among this one is r. Then p nitrogen is involved in the resonance. Q nitrogen is also involved in the resonance. Q nitrogen involved in the 2 times resonance, so it is least basic. So the next will be p and next one will be q. So this one would be our answer, and it is observed in yes. For this question, answer B is the correct option. Thank you very much.